Welcome. Today I'll show you how you can get free games for your Quest 3. Now this will also work on the previous ones like Quest 2 or possibly even 1. And to get started, all we will need to do is navigate to our store. And here you will actually be searching for the games, but I don't think we can actually find a list of these games because primarily most of these games will be an Applab game, which might be changing throughout the time. Applab is designed for kind of like beta testing the games, which some of them will be free, some of them will not be. Now the way I do it is by going into the browser, which from here it actually allows you to search specifically Applab. So you can go on Google, search for Applab, find a meta link just to kind of show you what I did. If I go back, there we go. So I just typed in Applab and it's right here, Oculus Applab game list. You can open that up and here you have the game list. Now, there is some free games here listed and some that aren't. As you can see, for instance, the first one is like $2.99, but we can select right here free, and this will then display only free games. And what you can do from here, not in every case though, I want to point that out, is hello Meta, it's supposed to be free. Discount isn't free. Anyway, it's promoted, that's why. Anyway, so from here you can get any kind of game, so you can just click on it, or not get, but you could technically get it, but it actually allows you to easily search for them. So here you will basically have a list of all free games. While if you do this in the store, just to demonstrate this, if we go to store, go to filter, and then we go to pricing and then select free, you will find out that a lot of these titles are just demos. We don't care about demos. So there we go. First, demo. This isn't streaming, whatever, that's video. Super Hot, demo. Beat Saber, demo. Another video app, another demo. That, I'm not sure what that is. Journey of the Gods, demo. So as you can see, almost majority of the things will be here and that you will find here are just demos. And I find it that it's also not really showing the actual titles from Applab. So I don't know if they will appear here, but they're just like farther down the list or not. So that's why I like to use the browser for this. It just gives you Applab apps, and obviously these aren't necessarily demos. There might not be a finished product, but decent amount of them are still in a very playable state, very polished. For instance, something like Ancient Dungeons. It is released now, I believe, so it's not very accurate, but you can just pick that up. It's technically a demo here, but just wanted to kind of point that out, that it's still a nice experience. There are other things, like for instance Pavlov. So you have a beta, you can get it, but if you search for Pavlov on the store, it actually is already paid, because I believe it's going to be released fully onto the Steam store, on the Quest store soon or already. So you can see it right here. It's right now on a discount, but it's already a paid version, which you can still get through Applab by just going here and selecting select get, and then it will then change to purchased, and you can then find it in your list right here, as you can see right over here. So I haven't purchased it, it's the beta version of it, not the actual release of it that you can get from the store. So there we go. Now, hope this helped, and if it did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.